Uy, but did you know that 5 nabaligya?
Wow! There are pangutanong na to akong sister who was the previous woodshop manager and I'm gonna ask you to react. Ay kani, kung ano siya no, gina-order niya po niya siya karon.
Yes. So, kana siya, preference po na siya ni
Mm.
customer. So, sila ang nag-provide sa ilang design.
Uy kani, ngano Jaime? Dili Jamie, ngano Jaime? Ang
Ay, may
spelling.
mali na siya spelling. Uy, daghan nagpalit, ana. Kay, that can be turned into like a bed. Pwede siya i-convert.
Kani, Agnes.
Okay, this one. Ay, nice kay I'm proud of this design.
Ngano ka
So,
proud?
Kay nindot siya. Wagi pa mo? Pero ako lang. Color. And daghan tayo nagpalit, ani, back then.
Kani, Astrid.
Yes, actually, ako dyan nag-design.
Wow! This one, the last now. Like, what were you thinking?
Actually, kana siya na photo. Karon
Murag ana
magsige
siya.
ko katawa, guys, kay back then, I think I was 25 years old. During that time, I was ambitious. And
Yeah.
I wanted to be unique. I want to think out of the box. Na ako lang makaisip, ani. Uy, but did you know that 5 nabaligya?
Wow! There are people who are like me.
Crazy.
Ara daw. Ara daw yung hampuan.
Maulang to, guys.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.